Hello guys, and welcome to our fourth video tutorial of biology. And in this video tutorial we are going to proceed with a continuation of characteristics of living things, and we are going to look into the last four main characteristics of living things that we never discussed about in our previous third video tutorial. The fifth characteristic of living things includes growth and development. Let's start by defining growth. Growth is the irreversible increase in size and mass. Growth is essential for body functions. What about development? Development is the irreversible change in complexity of the structure of living things. Differences between growth and development. The first difference between growth and development is that growth is a measurable change in a person or an organism, whereas development is a qualitative and quantitative changes in organism. Secondly, growth involves physical changes like changes in height or weight, whereas development involves changes in personality, skills, intelligence, and behavior. Thirdly, growth depends on parental genes and nutrition, whereas development depends on the environment and exposure of individuals or organisms. Last but not least, growth involves changes in appearance, while development involves changes in personality. The sixth characteristic of living things includes reproduction. What is reproduction, guys? Reproduction is the process through which living organisms give rise to new individuals of similar kind. And reproduction ensures the continuity of the existence of a particular species of organisms. Most plants produce by means of flowers, while animals have reproductive organs. The seventh characteristic of living things involves irritability. Irritability is also called sensitivity. Irritability refers to the ability of organisms to detect and respond to changes in the surrounding. Instances of irritability include the following: 1. Reaction to changes in temperature. 2. Reaction to changes in humidity. 3. Reaction to changes to light intensity, pressure variation, and to the presence of certain chemicals. The last main characteristic of living organisms involves movement. Guys, what is movement? Movement is the change in position by either part of an organism or a whole organism. Locomotion, on the other hand, is the entire progressive change in position by an organism. Animals move from place to place, while plants move within their fixed position, i.e., by swaying their leaves and branches. How do animals move? Animals move through the following means: swimming, like birds and swimming birds; walking, for instance, human beings; running, for instance, mammals; flying, as in birds; slithering, as in snakes; hopping, as in kangaroo; and leaping, as in frogs, among others. How do plants move? Plants move through closing of leaves, folding of leaves, closing of flowers, and growing of shoots towards light, among others. Why do animals move? Guys, it's very important to note that animal moves for three main reasons. The first reason why animals move is to search for food. And secondly, animals move from one place to another in search of mates or partners. And thirdly, animals move from one place to another in order to escape from enemies. So those are the three major reasons why animals move: to search for food, search for mates, and to escape from enemies. Thank you guys for watching from this channel. And if you're watching from this channel for the first time, just take a second or two and click on the subscribe button so that next time we produce a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.